Hello friends, today we are going to present an activity on government functions and powers.
Government can be defined as a group of people who are responsible for governing a political unit like a kingdom, state or a country.
Let's see who is responsible for government.
The President, the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers of Lok Sabha. Let's see who is the President. To the leader to the head of state of the country, that is a republic.
Who appoints a president in India?
President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of elected members of both the parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and the legislative assemblies of the states and union territories. President appoints the Prime Minister and other council of ministers. The age limit for the president is 35 years. The term for the president is 5 years and he can be re-elected for a number of times.
Functions and powers of President: to collect taxes, to make laws, to support military, to declare war, to establish a post office, to borrow money. The President appoints the leader of the majority party in Lok Sabha as a Prime Minister. The minimum age to become a Prime Minister of India is 35 years. The term of Prime Minister is 5 years. Functions and powers of Prime Minister: elected head of country, leader of majority party, think President, people, Parliament, advises and informs President, selects the Council of Ministers, distribute portfolios, explain the demand of resignation, monitors the working. Governor: the President of India appoints the governor of a state. The minimum age to become the governor of India is 35 years. Term period of governor is 5 years. Functions and powers of a governor: legislative powers, executive powers, judicial powers, financial powers.
The governor of the state then formally appoints the elected leader as the chief minister. The minimum age to become a chief minister is 25 years. The term period of the chief minister is 5 years.
Functions and powers of Chief Minister: formation of Council of Ministers, distribution of portfolios, reorganization of Council of Ministers, to preside over the meetings of the cabinet, coordination of different departments, chief advisor of the government,